Hi everybody, it's day 7 of this Christmas countdown, so a week. I hope you've been enjoying it. For today, this is the ornament I decided to make. It's a Christmas bell. So this is an example of what it looks like. It's really cute. It was really easy. And this is my example. A little blue bell. It worked out really quickly, so I might make a couple more, but that is it. I'll put it right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. I remember to turn the lights today. So we're going to do a chocolate first. So since we're on the 7th day, it is this right here on the Christmas tree. Since we made bells, my song suggestion is a little Kinder Egg. My song suggestion is I Listen to the Bells by Luther Vandross. It's a very happy, upbeat Christmas song. And my movie suggestion is The Christmas Bells. It is a comedy that came on BET a couple years ago, and it's really funny. You might enjoy it. So that's my suggestion. So we're on day 7 of this countdown. Let's see what day 7. Oh, it's a long one. I think I know what this is just by the box. So this is day 7. That's what the box looks like. And let's see. Oh, I was wrong about what it was. We have some thread. I'm going to read the exact description that they give. Day 7, 2 embroidery floss skeins for all embroidery and crafting projects. So yeah, so that's what we got in this box for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.